Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as I regale you with the tale of the Tesla bot, a magnificent creation that walks the line between technological brilliance and comedic charm. This bipedal wonder, with its autonomous capabilities, is here to save us from the perils of repetitive, mundane tasks. Picture it, a robot that can do your chores, perform tasks that make you want to pull your hair out, and maybe even tell a few jokes along the way. Imagine having a mechanical companion who can crack you up while vacuuming the living room or doing the dishes. It's like having a stand up comedian that doesn't need bathroom breaks or drink minimums. But let's not overlook the brilliant minds behind this endeavor. Tesla is on the hunt for geniuses in deep learning, computer vision, and a plethora of engineering disciplines. They need individuals who can not only build a robot that walks and talks, but also tickles your funny bone. Because let's face it, a robot that can't make you laugh is just an overpriced vacuum cleaner. Now, I can't help but wonder about the Tesla bot's sense of fashion. Will it sport a dapper suit complete with a snazzy bow tie, or perhaps it'll take a more casual approach, strutting around in Hawaiian shirts and flip-flops? Either way, this robotic wonder is sure to turn heads and elicit chuckles wherever it goes. So, my friends, prepare yourselves for the arrival of the Tesla bot, a harmonious blend of technological prowess and comedic timing. It's here to make your life easier, brighter, and definitely more entertaining. And who knows, maybe one day we'll witness a stand-up comedy battle between the Tesla bot and a Roomba. Now that's a showdown I'd pay to see.